another vlog. So we've got right here is the review of this on we got this Vivitar. Yes, this is the Vivitar camcorder. Yeah, this is the Vivitar camcorder, and I got this from Walmart, and it is on a Black Friday tech, right? So I think it's not on sale. I think it's not sale on Black Friday because the price is, yeah, you know. But yes, it's still worth it to have this one. It's still worth it to have this one. So yes, it is a nice video camera also if you want to have this one. So, and which is good alternate for vlogging, right? And it's also a clear one. Okay, there is also a clear one. So I check it out in on my unboxing video, right? You better check that one also. You better check first the unboxing before you're gonna watch this video, right? So okay, yeah, okay. Without further ado, let's gonna start up and let's go. Gonna have to check the deep. We're gonna have to check the deep review for this one, and let's go and check some what is in these settings, right? So okay, without further ado, start up. Okay. So okay, here it goes, guys. So this is the Vivitar camcorder, right? So if we go, we got that right here. We got the name video, and also we've got the night mode. Okay, 16 times digital zoom, and we've got a TFT, right? So we've got a horseshoe mount over here to put this for me to put this on mic, right? So let's go. Yeah, have to check that out also. And we've got right here is the HD night vision lens. We've got the frame of f22 and f2.2 and f3.54 millimeter, right? So you got to check that one right over here. Yeah, look at that. And yes, we've got some functions right over here, some buttons. Right here is the for the camera or video if you want to zoom in. Yeah, and we've got the capture right over here. So, and also we've got eyes, this one right over here if you want to have this one. Right, and right here is the body way over here. So I have to check that out. Okay, here it goes. This is the battery right over there. And this is also a rechargeable. Okay, this is a type C in which you can have, and which you check that one right over here is the, yeah, I yeah, we got that with this one right over here, right? If you want to use this one. And also we've got some the type C over here there, right? So let's go, gonna have to check that out, and let's go open this up. And we've got some bigger screen right over here, right? And we've got some functions right over here. We got the light, which is also right over here. And we've got this one right for the play button. We've got the on button. We've got this display in the menu, and we've got right here is the have to put up to push, and that one right over here is the SD card right over there, right? So yes, perfect. So and we've got right here is for the tripod mount, right? Yeah, so we're gonna have to put that one all right into the, right? And let's go, gonna have to check that out, and then let's go, gonna open it up. There you go. So we got the Vivitar. I forgot the name of this one. So we got right here is the display, right? So we got right here is the camera. So you're gonna have to change that one into the mode, right? Uh, so where's the mode? Okay. Okay. Right over here is the display. Okay, I think this one. Yeah, for the display, right? And you can have to on that again. So let's go. Gonna have to go to the mode, right? So let's go. So this is the camera, right? So this is the video mode. Okay. 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 Is okay, the picture. Okay, we got the picture right over here. And mode and for the video again. So we're gonna get over to the menu. So as you can see, check right here is for the menu. Yes, it's we got some resolution of this 1080 pixels, right? I think, yeah. Yeah, 1080 and 720 pixels, okay? Let's go back. Go back again. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go back to the menu. We've got the cyclic record, and we've got the EV white balance audio on. Yes, and a date label. So I just turned up the date, right? I just turned up the date. So how to go back is to back. Press the back. Okay. No back button. Okay. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Here go the mode. Okay, and I have to go back again to. I have to press again the menu, right? So let's go right over here. We got the night vision mode. We got the time setting, auto power off, screensavers, sounds, language settings, frequency, format, default setting, and the version. Let's go check the version one. The version for this one is the DB20 version 2.1. Right? So yeah, for the one. So let's go gonna go back, check, press the menu, and then we're gonna get over here to this one. So it's already been connected. Why? It's been like that the TF card, and also is the battery indicator right over here, and we got the icon right here for the video. And I didn't change any settings, right? I didn't change any settings. So that's it for the one right there. So okay, and let's go gonna have to take a video for this one. So let's go gonna have to check a video. Okay, with the built-in mic and also with the extension mic. All right. Okay. So this is the internal mic, right? So this is the internal mic. So let's go gonna have to change the yeah. So this is the external mic. So I hope it will recorded my voice, right? I hope it will recorded my voice so that I will know, right? So that I will know the result of this video, right? So okay. So this is the internal mic. So, alright, so let's go gonna get over to the another angle of this camera, alright? So, okay, this is the front video, right? So, this is the front video of the camera. So, yeah, it really feels good and really, really nice for this one, right? So, this is a good, camcorder for vlogging. And I think this is perfect for it. I believe this is a perfect vlogging for me also. And it's also a good companion for your everyday going. So, if you are ever going to a place where you want to go, this is a good product, right? So a nice, and also it is on 1080 pixels, right? It is also 1080 pixels, right? And it's also a really good one for you to have this one. Okay, so let's go gonna head over to the mic. Okay, this is the internal mic, guys. This is the internal mic. Let's go gonna get over to the external mic. Okay. So this is the built-in mic of this video camera from Vivitar. So you have to check that one out also. So sorry for the messy room. So yeah, we've got right over there some of the stuff so you can see. Yeah, and it's also, yeah, this has been good, and this is one right over here. So I'm gonna go check the front video of this one. Okay. So this is the internal mic. Okay, so again for this reverse, yes, for this reverse. So this is the internal mic for the reverse, right? As you can see, uh, I hope it will gonna be work, right? So I hope it's still gonna be work. I hope. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. So yes, and let's go gonna have to take some pictures, right? So how is the quality of the picture? All right. So all right, so yes, you see already, yeah, you see already those clips and also some snapshots of the sample video for this one. So I hope that I hope that you will also gonna be like this video, right? And I'm gonna have to gain more subscribers and viewers here in my channel, right? So this is a good one for you to have it. So if you really want to have this one, right? So uh the next outro, is gonna be right over here. So I'm gonna have to mount this one into my I'm gonna have to mount this one into my tripod, right? So that I will know right? Okay, so all right, so that's it for this video. Okay, so okay, I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos, right? So stay tuned for more, is because I'm gonna give you some of my good stuff here on my channel. So okay, so this is the outro for this one is I am using my camcorder, right? So this is a good one for you to have this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. So, okay, so see you again on my next video, everyone.